This is my 2013 15-inch MacBook Pro. I've been using this MacBook until today for 8 years. And here's my 2021 16-inch MacBook Pro. Let's compare the two. The main differences? Well, the bezels are way thinner in the new MacBook Pro, which is great because both MacBooks are almost the same size, but the new one has a 16-inch display, so I love that. The new one also has a Liquid Retina XDR display. It gets much brighter and is stunning to watch high-quality content. Oh yeah, and it finally has a 1080p webcam instead of the 720p one, so I'm loving the HD quality for FaceTime and Zoom. The software is different because I kept Mac OS X Yosemite in my old MacBook. This is software from 2014. The new one has Mac OS Monterey. It feels very similar, however the new 16-inch MacBook is way faster and has zero hiccups. Ironically, the ports haven't changed much. I used to have MagSafe, which is the charging cable that attaches magnetically to avoid accidents. It was gone in 2016, but now it's back, so I never noticed it was gone. Same for the HDMI and SD card. They are in my previous 2013 MacBook. They were gone for many generations, but now they're back. USB-C would be the main difference here. The keyboard feels flatter in the new one. I know they have a bit more travel this year, but they are flatter, but still a great typing experience. The speakers are a huge difference. These are trash on my 2013 MacBook Pro, but the new 16-inch MacBook Pro has probably the best speakers that I've heard on a laptop. I'm really enjoying these. So I wanted to make this video to show how the new 2021 MacBook Pro is very similar in many ways to the 2013 15-inch model. They did a lot of changes along the years, but went backwards and added back the ports, the chunky keys, and MagSafe. So I'm very happy that I waited 8 years. If you are using a MacBook, please comment below what year model you are using and how it's currently performing. I'm curious to see what you guys use. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload more videos like these. Thanks for watching.